Experience the incredible marvels with these astounding gadgets. From a compact offline password manager ensuring top-notch security and seamless logins, to a keychain-sized bag offering ample space to safeguard your belongings from water, these remarkable inventions are now at your fingertips and are guaranteed to leave you amazed. Flagest Levitation Globe. While many of us are already acquainted with Google Maps, having a globe can still elevate your home decor. Why not opt for something even more mesmerizing for your desktop? Take this one, for example. It actually levitates in the air. With just a gentle spin, you can watch it gracefully rotate a full 360 degrees for up to 25 minutes. This captivating levitation effect is achieved through a sophisticated magnetic system. Simply place the globe over the base, and presto. Additionally, it features built-in lighting that you can effortlessly control with a simple touch, adding an extra touch of sophistication. And because functionality is key, it even includes a built-in pin holder, making it both practical and elegant for your workspace. Prepare to be amazed by an array of mind-blowing gadgets that are within your reach. Password Pocket. Password Pocket is a compact password manager designed for portability, allowing you to carry it with you wherever you go, even when offline. It serves as a reliable tool for safeguarding your accounts and simplifying the login process. Utilizing robust security measures, it ensures the protection of your information and can detect fraudulent websites attempting to steal your data. With Password Pocket, you can securely store important passwords and notes in a protected notebook, and it even autofills passwords to streamline your experience. Compatible with various devices, it guarantees the privacy of your data at all times. Additionally, in the event of device loss, measures are in place to ensure the safety of your data. E.g. Kimba Bluetooth speaker, calling all music enthusiasts on the go. Just attach it to the back of your MagSafe compatible phone or use the steel ring for an immersive auditory experience that defies its compact size. Take your sound to the next level by pairing two speakers for a truly immersive stereo experience, and choose from 3 dynamic modes to turn any gathering into an unforgettable party. Need a break from the music? Use it as a convenient stand for an enhanced viewing experience while watching videos. Get ready to experience music like never before. Air Candy. Get ready to take your pool party to the next level with this incredible party set. First up, we have an inflatable ottoman that's a breeze to set up and can support up to 200 pounds, making it perfect for lounging or as a footrest while relaxing in the chair, which can hold up to 250 pounds. With a remote control to select your favorite color, you can create the perfect ambiance for a night in the water. But the fun doesn't stop there. Grab the illuminated volleyball or basketball set and watch as your friends nail every pass with ease. Feeling a bit playful? Jump on the pool raft or grab a snack from the buffet cooler, stocked with all your favorite treats and beverages. Perfect for a day of seal cosplaying. Get ready for the ultimate pool party experience. Ugreen Nexode. This delightful gadget is an amazing addition to your desk, bringing a burst of cuteness to your daily routine. Compact and super efficient, it charges your devices at lightning speed, so you can spend more time enjoying its playful smart screen with fun charging status expressions. With 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it's perfect for all your devices. Plus, No need to worry about overcharging thanks to its temperature protection features. Not only is it practical, but this charger is also incredibly durable and has an irresistible personality that truly shines through. OneTigris Fire-Retardant. Elevate safety on your next camping trip by laying down this amazing mat beneath your fire pit, creating a reliable protective barrier. For even greater safety and durability, place wood or other materials underneath to reduce bottom temperatures. Boost its performance by soaking it in water before use. With incredible heat resistance up to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides unbeatable protection. Compact and easy to store, this mat is your perfect outdoor companion for a safer, more enjoyable fire pit experience. Don't head out without it. Prepare to be amazed by not just one, but two extraordinary gadgets that will leave you in awe. These incredible devices are waiting for you, ready to take your technology experience to new heights and improve your everyday life. MChaos Power Bank. Tired of digging through your bag to find your power bank? Eliminate the hassle with this convenient solution. Clip it to your backpack with the included carabiner, keeping it easily accessible whenever you need it. Whether you're cycling and need a quick phone charge or just on the go, simply pull out the magnet-secured cable and plug it in. Boasting a fast charging speed of 20 watts and a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, it ensures you stay connected all day long. When it's time to recharge both your device and the power bank, just plug it into any standard power source. Enjoy seamless power on the move with this practical accessory. South Forte. Incorporating charging stands into our daily routines has become a necessity. This stand, specifically designed for the Apple MagSafe charger, enhances your charging experience. Just snap the charger onto the stand and attach your iPhone. For models 12 or newer, enjoy rapid wireless charging at 15 watts, securely held in either portrait or landscape mode. With a tilt range of up to 70 degrees, you can easily find the perfect viewing angle. Plus, it doubles as a convenient base for charging your AirPods. Keep in mind, however, that its level of portability may not meet your needs in certain situations.